Yeah, I was scared I wouldn't get in this water. Ryan, seriously, go up the tree and get on the trail out there.
Well, that's just too much. Makes too much sense.
Ryan.
Can I just like over here?
Ryan, listen. Go down there, go up the tree, then down the trail.
Oh, but that's not fun. I prefer to fall in the water. Pressure's on. Don't make a scene.
What if you want to jump from here?
Don't pause. What was that? Matthew, stop. Where do I go now?
I don't know.
go-
Watch out for a big giant snake, though.
Stop.
Stop.
I'd go back. Hey, don't throw rocks.
Stop.
Matthew,
Where do I go?
go back.
Help me.
Go back.
Oh, that was cool.